Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to talk about composite shingles. This is me, E232347 session 6, Construction Engineering, IR Tia Salman bin Salim. Introduction, asphalt shingles. Also referred to as composite shingles, are a common roofing material that are frequently utilized in residential construction. They are made up of layer of asphalt and ceramic granules encasing of fiberglass Medco. Most widely used roofing solution in North America. Their advantage and disadvantage. Homogeneous advantage, resistant to wind, rainfall, and UV rays. And disadvantage, in more than their cost. So conclusion, our country must use these composite shingles for their roof in home. That's all from me. Thank you.